Hi guys, welcome back to Healthier Day by Tay. Today we're going to be making a really yummy chocolate coconut cake. It has about 26 grams of protein, no regular flour, no added sugar, and you can make it right in the microwave. So let's just jump right in. All right, so starting off with the dry ingredients that you're going to need, you're then going to take a small mug and just grease it. Here I'm using some coconut oil spray. And then you're going to do 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, which is about 30 grams. And then 1.5 tablespoons of coconut flour. Next, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of sweetener. I'm using Splenda Magic Baker. And then a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa and 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder with a little bit of salt. And then you're just going to give that a really good mix. And now for the liquids, you're going to need 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. You need this room temperature, or you can just pop it in the microwave and melt it. And then 100 milliliters of coconut milk, which is a little less than 1/2 cup. Here's that melted coconut oil. 1 egg. And then 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And 1/2 teaspoon of coconut extract. And then you're just going to mix that up really well. Now we're just going to add those liquids into the dry ingredients. You can add a little bit at a time, just mix it in. I think this recipe might work if you just do it all together, but I haven't tried it yet, so you'll have to let me know in the comments below if you try it all together. Now that it is fully mixed, we're going to add a tablespoon of sugar-free dark chocolate chips and a tablespoon of shredded coconut, unsweetened. And then once you have that mixed in, you're going to pop that in the microwave. Mine took 2 minutes, but just check it after a minute and see where you're at. This is after 1 minute. You can eat it out of the mug, of course. I just flipped it over to kind of show you guys what it looks like. It ended up tasting like a really good chocolate coconut lava cake, so it was really, really good. Highly recommend. And then you can just garnish it with some extra chocolate chips and some coconut if you'd like. All right, make sure you guys like this video. Let me know what you think if you try it. It is literally so good. It's like ooey gooey chocolatey. This is my 3rd time making it, and it is so good. Let me know what you guys think.